How you doing, YouTube family? I'm here outside. I'm about to do a little project right now for the kids' room, and I need to paint some parts. So I'm gonna give you a little tip how to paint it, you know, a faster way and more convenient. Clamp anything that you have around the house that you could clamp it, you know, to stand it up. So you can paint one side, the other side without having to wait until it dries, you know. So I'm about to paint this, and I'll talk to you all here in a little bit. And also, I'm the main one, Mr. Grinch. All right, let's get. And there you have it. That's how you paint anything, pretty much.
Alright, so as you saw, Yo-Yo actually kind of explained as I fall.
How you could paint it, you know, faster without having to be flipping it.
Pretty much, it's an easier way to paint those little spice racks if you guys have kids, or I think for any reason, like if y'all want to use the spice racks for actual spice racks, or I don't know, makeup, I don't know, whatever you want to use it for, you know, it's a hack. So now he's actually, this is the baby's room. I'm not going to show the whole room yet because it's not ready. Right, babe? We're still working on it.
Not ready.
Not ready yet, but we'll definitely reveal our the baby room or whatever. He's doing right now. He's just doing like wherever we're gonna put the things.
We bought this because there's no stud, so it could hold on pretty good. We had to buy this stuff.
Stud. Ding. What is a stud, babe? For us non-construction, non-house stuff. What is a stud, babe?
Well, the stud is what pretty much holds the whole wall, the whole house. That's the stud, and that's where the drywall people, this drywall, that's where people they screw into, so the drywall can, you know, stay. So
that's why he actually got. Long story short, that's pretty much why he got the little like those special little like nails.
Yeah.
I mean, some of you might know. I didn't know about it till, you know, this. So we got it so they're more safe and secure in case the babies end up, you know, Javen, as he's my craziest one, ends up like hanging from it. But yeah, so here we see Yo-Yo putting it up, yay, yay. That was one of my must-haves in this room. I wanted was like floating shelf book holders. So I don't know, I thought it looked cute. So yeah, we changed ours up to like wood and black. That's just, you know, modern look. Like, I love it. So yeah, but yes guys, that's just a little video I wanted to record for you guys, just so you guys have an idea of how we did our DIY bookshelf, cheap economic way to get a bookshelf. So right now Yo-Yo's just putting it up, but tomorrow when there's more daylight, because as you can tell it's nighttime here, I will take I'll record tomorrow so you guys can actually see how it looks, the ending result in daytime. Moment of truth. Jalen, Mama. You want to say hi, Jalen? Hi.
There you go. Perfect.
She said hi.
Tight. Everything. That's great.
Yay! Yay! Let's go, baby.
Let's go, bro.
So how much weight did it say on there, babe? That those little screws held like 107.
No, this one is I searched it up. It's 75 pounds.
Oh, 75 pounds. So literally, if Javen, if my 3-year-old hangs on that, he'll be fine. So that's another precaution if you want to like make sure that these things hold a certain amount.
Perfect level. That's a perfect level.
Yes.
Take your time of measurement.
Take your time of measurement, babe.
Yep. done with this little project right here, and she's gonna show you the finished result tomorrow.
Because
it's kind of dark in here. I gotta put some more lights.
So yeah,
it'll look better tomorrow. Trust me.
So here is the shelves with some of their books. I have more. Obviously, they're stored away, so I need to put them up. But here is just a couple, and see, it's reachable. So 11-month-old can definitely reach her favorite books. Right, baby? Yeah, the little plug thing, it has safety plugs. People, you can see it. It has safety plugs in there, so she can get her little fingers in there. So yeah, guys, this is actually the result. I think it's beautiful. I love it. I do think I'm gonna add more over there. Right? You think we could add more? Do you want more? Huh? Yeah? Yeah? You want to read? You want us to read? She loves... Uh-oh, excuse me. ¿Quieres leer? ¿Sí? ¿Quieres leer el libro? ¿Sí, mamá? I think it looks adorable. I really like it. But yeah, you can either go to your local Ikea, or, you know, if you do have an Ikea. I'm not sure, but I remember I at some point they said they were gonna, like, I thought I had heard that you could order like stuff online. I'm not sure if that's the case or not, because like our Ikea is like 2 hours away, so it's a little further than what we would wish. I wish it was closer, but I think they do like online orders now. I'm not sure, but yes, you can just get these spice racks. I think they were, I don't know, I'll link it below and let you, like, you'll see how much they are. But yeah, there you go, a cute little decorative piece in the kids' room with their cute books. I think it looks cute. I really like it. I'll probably be putting some decor pieces in here or something just to make it look like cuter. But yes, guys, that's just a cute little hack you can do with the Ikea spice racks. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Yeah, please share the video so somebody else can get inspired and do a little hack. And if you're new here, I would love for you to join my family for more videos and more ideas. So just hit that subscribe button, and if you do, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you do get notified when I upload a video. Scratch myself. That's it for today, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Take care, love. Bye.